So what we're looking at here is this idea of factoring or factorizing. That is when we take a quadratic polynomial written in ax squared plus bx plus c, and we write it in this form: a, x minus b, and x minus c, where b and c are values of x-intercepts. And like we've already found, they are where your equation equals 0. So they're really important things that might be where a height is 0 or where a time is 0 or something like that within the real world. So we're having a look at this thing here. We're looking at two. One, the first case has 1 as coefficient of x squared. The other doesn't have 1 as a coefficient of x squared. So let's see, we've got x squared minus 3x minus 10. So what we're trying to do here, we want to find factors of 10. So that is two numbers that multiply to make negative 10 that add up to make negative 3 as well. So that's what we're trying to do here. So factors of 10, we know are 5, 2, 1, and 10. Now, from there, those have to add up to negative 3. As it turns out, x minus 5 and x plus 2 are our factors. Because negative 5 times positive 2 gives us negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 gives us negative 3. So that's how we'd say, so that's what our factors are there. Now, if we want to find the x-intercepts, we say that x minus 5 times by x plus 2 equals 0. And then from there, we say that x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. So there are two x-intercepts. Okay, a little bit different here. We were looking at where a is not 1. So what we do is we multiply the first number and the third number. So we multiply a and c, and we get negative 15. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So we want two factors of negative 15 that add up to make negative 14. So what we do there, try to think of different factors that may be the case, and we end up with negative 15 and positive 1. So what we do, we rewrite this as 3x squared. I'll write that a bit clearer. X squared, and like we said now, negative 15 minus 15x plus 1x minus 5. So that's what we structure that. We don't put it straight into brackets. What we do, we're writing this negative 14 as two other things that add up. That when we multiply them, they make negative 15, and they add up to negative 14. So negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14. Negative 15 times 1 is negative 15. And then from there, we look at factoring. So we look at the first two. We've got 3x squared minus 15x, and we can take out a common factor of 3x. So we've got 3x. We're left with x minus 5, and we do the same thing here. We want to be left with x minus 5, so we take out 1, and we've got x minus 5. And then from there, we've got 3x plus 1, and then x minus 5. So then, we want to say, set that to x-intercepts, we'll let y equals 0. So it becomes 3x plus 1, x minus 5 equals 0. So we're left with x equals negative 1 over 3, and x equals 5. So, when we're factoring, we're taking our general form, converting it into something like this form, which then allows us to find x-intercepts by allowing the product of the two factors to equal 0.